So here we are, Melbourne, Australia. It's another Tech Tuesday video. Tech Tuesday. So we're here, what's your name, brother?
Chipsa. C-H-I-P-Z-Z-A.
Like you like chips and you like pizza.
Never thought of that.
Chipsa and Jay Boston are taking Em and I into an abandoned building, because this is what they do, but it's Tech Tuesday, so we're gonna get into what they use for abandoned building stuff, which is not a lot. I think I brought more than them. Oh. Wow. What do you use?
An old Nikon D550-100. That's what I have, 50-100.
What do you do on your page?
Post photos and share articles, stuff that's related. But I don't do it for anybody, I do it for myself. But I don't do it for anybody, I do it for myself.
So this was an old factory of some sort.
Isolation factory? Isolator.
This is cool. This is like my first abandoned building in Australia.
Everything I can. What am I? 1022 lens, Canon 80D on autofocus with a stabilizer. Mic Pro, Video Mic Pro Plus, Gorilla Pod.
You remember Jay from the AFL game, and he's also part of Creator Cast. So if you're a vlogger or someone on YouTube and you want to get more about YouTube, check that out, Creator Cast. This is kind of a Tech Tuesday, but kind of more like an abandoned building kind of thing. You know, we can have adventures on Tech Tuesday. Stuff. Like I'm like overloaded with gear.
It's Tech Tuesday.
It's Tech Tuesday. I thought I was going to be interviewing you guys about the gear you brought, but I guess it's going to be about the stuff that I brought. See, now I didn't know what to expect, so I came like overly prepared. I brought in a lot of stuff, like my arsenal. I thought I'd be doing a lot of like POV. Whoa, look at that. But I mainly used my Sony a6500 and the GoPro with the Removu gimbal for those smooth shots. And of course my Mavic Air, which
I got that on camera.
Wait, watch.
She's right. Whoa!
Emma brought her LED hoops, so we're gonna have some fun with that. How long do you guys usually spend in like a place like this?
Depends who you ask. Me, it's about half an hour.
Tops, yeah, about half an hour.
So we should probably get out of here.
Yeah. So
It's getting dark. Yeah, you don't want to hang out around this place when it gets too late. All right, where's the machete? Bye guys.
Thanks for the hula hooping.
Thanks again. But there you go, tech video. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, it was cool.
Yeah.
It was really cool.
It wasn't super technical, I know that. I just wanted to do that abandoned building video. So, see you next time. We got a lot of great stuff coming up. So, see ya. So what's the deal? Like, is this illegal to be in here?
Yeah.
Because you post pictures and videos.
Like from my police friends, it's only trespassing if you've asked to leave and you haven't.
Yeah.
So it's a gray area.
It's
Yes.
a grey area.
So I don't need to like sand off my fingerprints and...
Well, yeah.
Thanks for watching and feel free to subscribe. And here are a couple more videos you should check out.